All right, so it looks like Etsy just released a fresh batch of funded coupons in targeted promotions. Here's an article about it. What does this mean? Well, basically, Etsy is sending out coupons to customers. I'm not sure how they decide which customers to send them out to. I think it's people that have bought in the past, so they're have a higher likelihood of coming back and buying again from the platform. But they're doing a targeted promotion that ends, it looks like 2/17, so 17th of February, for 15% off up to $20. So just know that customers are getting these. And the difference between these and regular coupons is the fact that Etsy is funding them. So if someone does apply a 15% off coupon to your shop, you're still getting the full amount. Etsy's covering that difference. I'm not sure if it will show you on the order tab if the coupon was applied, but either way, they've done this before many times, so they're basically going to front the difference. So if you're doing a coupon for your shop, obviously then that comes out of your pocket. That comes out of your profit margin. If you have like a 15% off coupon that you can set up in the marketing tab, someone uses it, then basically they're getting 15% off and you're not getting that 15%. In this case, Etsy is covering that 15%, so you're still getting the full amount and people are still incentivized to come and buy and get money off. Now, they're saying the code is SHOP15. I just tried it. That does not work, so I'm sure they're probably issuing different codes out there for different customers. I would highly recommend, if you haven't already, outside of these targeted promotions, to make sure you're setting up your own promotions inside the marketing tab. So you can pop over to the marketing tab to sales and coupons. You can either run a sale and or set up coupon codes for people to add items to their cart or favorite items. The benefit of that is basically it's free email marketing. So basically once someone adds an item to their cart or favorites an item within 24 hours, Etsy will send them, as long as they're opted into marketing emails, Etsy will send them an email basically saying, hey, it looks like you added this item to your cart or you favored this item, come back and buy for 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, whatever you set that coupon code up to be. So it's helping conversions, it's helping entice them to come back and buy. You can also set up coupon codes once for thank yous, once someone buys, to add it to the packing slip so they can come back and buy from you again. So use those free marketing tools that Etsy has to improve your conversions and entice people to come back to buy, in addition to the marketing stuff that Etsy is doing as well. So that's it. That's a quick heads up as far as the coupon and the targeting promotions that's going on with Etsy right now. So you guys are informed and know that they are, doing some stuff to help sellers and people get more sales. And of course, if you want more help getting traffic, getting sales, pop over to my Etsy Games VIP program. I have a challenge going on right now that's just $2. You get an amazing app to use. You get a week's worth of trainings and accountability. And this is just a great, fun, positive, motivational place to come hang out, get support, get help from a real person. All premium members get a one-on-one coaching call with me. We do group coaching calls. I help you out with your SEO. Basically, I want to blow you away with value so you stay and learn and grow with me for the long haul. A lot of my members have been with me for many, many months, even years. So I hope to see you guys over there. Check it out. There's a link below. It's the real deal. Outside of that, I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.